What up, world? Your homeboy Mag 357 Guns, and what we got here in front of us is the Cricut Maker Ultimate Smart Cutting Machine. Okay, it has a expandable suite of tools, works with hundreds of materials, cuts fabrics, balsa wood, mat board, and more. Okay, so before we even, boy, I was about to unbox that thing on y'all. But look, before we get started, let's cover everything around the box. Okay. And then we'll get into the price and all that good stuff. Okay, so making a long story short, okay, this is what's included in the box. Okay, you got your fine point blade, rotary blade, and your fine point pen. Now, this says additional tools for purchase is the knife blade, the scoring wheel, washable fabric pen, and calligraphy pen. Okay, so it's good that we got these two blades. This is a single rotary blade, and this might be a single scoring wheel, which they do. Look, they do have the double tip. So yeah, I did a little research. This is supposed to be the best one, and you pay a lot for this, but I'm gonna let you know what it is. So on the side, you got your professional feature set. And as you can see, it has all that right there. What's included in the box, the machine. We just talked about the blades and the pins and whatnot. You get a fabric grip mat and a light grip mat. But what I need is a strong grip mat if I'm going to be doing leathers and thicker materials. So that's one thing I do know. Okay. So anything on the back, make no mistake about it, it's heavy. So let's turn it. So if I had an iPad, whatever, because like I don't, so I don't know what it's called. So if I had that, it has a slot where it can sit there. So I can sit my phone in that slot. And we're going to do a little unboxing here. So when you pull it back, this is what we got going on. It says, let's get started. Okay. So I'm not ready to get started. I'm just going to unbox for right now. See? Nothing in there. And nothing to knock my drink over. Lord, please don't let me do that. So I'm going to put this one over here just in case. And I'm going to take my drink down and make sure I don't knock nothing over. What we're dealing with, we got two mats in here. And this is what you're going to put your material on and slide it through the Cricut machine. Okay? So, that's what's up. I'm going to have to learn how to do all this stuff because what I'm going to be using it for is, this is your fabric grip. And I guess this clear thing is what you peel your cutting off with. I don't know. We gonna figure it out. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this because I got to hold the phone, and this machine is pretty heavy. Okay, pretty heavy. We're gonna go for it. Okay, Lord, don't let me drop it. So I'm getting up under it, pulling it up. I got it in my lap. Whew. Heavy. So what we got here is the power cord. Put this over here. I normally keep stuff like this for other things that I need to dry out in the Ziploc bag. So boom, we got that. Let's take everything out, make sure we didn't miss nothing. Okay. And the crazy part is, I don't know how that just, well, really? So I'm assuming it was like this. This was like that. And that one just fell out, so I'm gonna have to go get it. Okay. So the Cricut itself is right here, and I'm putting it back down as easy as I can. And then we're gonna get into the price of this after I open it up and let you know what all is going on with it. Let's arrange it a little bit. So here we go. Well, yeah, but it ripped a little bit. That's what I was trying not to do. Cool. So, boom, Cricut Maker. And I like that. So this is gonna be my cover. This is gonna be my cover. I want to make sure I keep that real good. Okay. So boom, we making progress. Making progress. It looks like it's blue up under here. And it's the Cricut Maker, so we're not gonna even worry about the plastic right now. Okay. I know that my fine oh, hold on. Get up under here a little bit. Like I was saying, I know that my fine blade is inside of there already. Already installed. And this is what I'm gonna use for a dust cover later on. Saw somebody else give a great tip about that. So this is the Cricut Maker Ultimate. All right. It comes with your get started kit. It also comes with your fabric grip mat. It's 12 by 12. Then you have your light grip mat, which it can go either way. And it's 12 by 12 also. Okay. So one is for fabric only, and it tells you that. And the other one is, I guess, is for vinyl. That's not thick. Power cord, boom. So once you do all of that, you have your get started box right here. Okay. It says open me first. And it's going to talk about how these little reference cards are in there. And it will tell you the steps to go through to get started. So then you got the Cricut Maker welcome book. And it tells you a lot about what the Cricut can do and how to do it. The extra accessories right there. The pen tools and how they make cards and stuff like that. So, and before you even ask, man, I ain't gay. Oh, nigga, nah. What I do is hustle. So anything that I can make some extra money with, and me and my girlfriend, we invested in this. But I had the idea a little bit before she did. See, these are made out of felt. I mean, you can come up with all kind of stuff and sell it to people. Online, locally. Yes, I know it's COVID-19 out there, but you can make crafts and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I'm starting a t-shirt business or a craft making business. We're gonna make all kind of stuff. So these are the materials for our first project. To calibrate the machine, make sure it's working to capacity, especially because we done dropped some money on it. And this is the the single rotary wheel. It has a gear up there that helps it turn. Okay, or it could be, yeah, this is what it is. So as I put that back, there is also an offline USB. There is a rotary blade cap. So when you're not using it, you can put the cap on it. Won't cut nothing. Got the pen to write with, draw with, but the machine will do it for me. And this is the USB I was telling y'all about. Okay. So at a glance, you get a lot of good stuff for a value of $440. The Cricut Maker. I'm starting a t-shirt business. I'm starting a crafting business. It's gonna be all that. So go with me on this journey. They said if you don't do anything, come out of this quarantine with a business, with some skills and stuff, and that's what I plan on doing. It's your homeboy Mag 357 Guns. Live, learn, live, and grow. One.